Hello everyone, welcome to Link Frequency and I'm Aishwarya Pattar. Let's continue to understand about ECU Flash Programming. In our previous video, we understood about transfer data. If you have not watched that video, then you can watch it from our playlist. There are several steps that are involved in ECU Flash Programming which we are discussing individually. So without any further delay, let's begin with our next step, that is Request Transfer Exit as highlighted on the screen. The Request Transfer Exit service in ECU Flash Programming is used to signal the end of data transfer session. It ensures that the ECU understands that all the data has been sent and thus allowing the ECU to perform the post-transfer operations such as validating, processing or writing the received data into the memory. Basically, it marks the conclusion of the data transfer which was initiated by transfer data 36. Additionally, it signals the ECU to validate the integrity of the received data, that is by using checksum algorithms, and finalize any processing required for storing the firmware or calibration data. Well, let us move ahead and try to understand this bit more clearly with the help of an example. The tester sends the request using the command 37. Here 37 represents the service identifier for Request Transfer Exit. The response received from the ECU includes positive response 77. It is sent if the data transfer is completed and no errors are detected. Moving ahead, the negative response includes 7 of 37 and followed by the error. The negative response is sent if there is any issue such as data failure, checksum failures or missing data blocks. Just for our reference, let us consider the negative response as 7 of 37 and 22. The 22 represents conditions not correct. Well, this was all about the Request Transfer Exit. We will look into the next steps in our upcoming video. I hope you found this particular video insightful. For any queries, you can surely comment below in the comment section. Until we meet on our next video, happy learning. Tune yourself to make a difference.